This video shows how to buy shares of Zinzino AB. Zinzino is a Swedish health and wellness company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ZZb.ST, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To transact, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with a photo ID, and deposit funds before buying. Use the broker search field and enter the ticker ZZb.ST to find the listing. Make sure you select the Zinzino AB entry on the CBOE EU market. On the Zinzino AB asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the description matches Zinzino's health and wellness business so you have the correct stock. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order will be scheduled or queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.